Hi friends. So in the last video, we have discussed the concept of a percentage. In this video also, we will discuss the basic concept of the percentage, profit and loss. Okay, loss. While we are doing the job, we have to be aware of some of the words. What are those words? If I say profit, then a profit, when I do get the profit, if a selling price is more than the cost price, means the selling price minus cost price is the profit. Okay. If you say it is a profit percentage means it is selling price minus cost price divided by cost price. It is nothing but profit divided by cost price. It is into 100. Whenever I am converting it in the profit, so I have to be right into 100 points. This is nothing but profit percent. Whereas next, this is the first point. Another point, loss. When should I have to be say loss? If the cost price is more than selling price, then I'll get the loss. Then similarly, if you want to calculate the loss percentage, then I have to be say cost price minus selling price divided by the cost price. Here in the denominator, always it represents the initial value friends, into 100. So it is nothing but loss divided by cost price into 100 friends. Okay, this is nothing but loss percentage. Friends. Okay, now markup means what? Markup. Here another word, markup. Markup is equal to it is a marked price friends. Marked price. MP or least price. Least price minus cost price. Marked price is nothing but markup is nothing but a marked price, or it is also called as the least price minus cost price friends. Whereas markup percentage is nothing but markup divided by cost price. Means marked price or least price minus cost price divided by cost price into 100 friends. Into 100. Or you can say markup percentage is nothing but the markup divided by cost price into 100 friends. Into 100. We will discuss what is the markup, all these things friends. Okay, next. If I say margin is nothing but profit friends is nothing but profit. It is divided by selling price friends. Okay, margin means profit. It means selling price minus cost price. cost price divided by selling price is the margin, friends. So margin percentage means into 100. Here margin percentage. Margin percentage is nothing but profit divided by selling price into 100, friends. Into 100. It is nothing but a margin percentage, friends. Another word is a discount. Another word is a discount, friends. Okay. If you see the discount is nothing but marked price minus selling price. Marked price minus selling price, friends. Okay. Now discount percentage means discount means marked price minus selling price divided by selling price into 100. Into 100. This is nothing but the discount, friends. It is nothing but the discount percentage. Discount percentage means, okay, so here marked price, it is comes to the marked price. How much I have written and how much I have given the percentage discount. So discount percentage is nothing but a discount in a marked price. In a marked price, friends. Okay, that is nothing but the discount percentage. Right, friends. You see here, friends. Here. Friends, I'll take the example and I'll show you. Let cost price be. One is the cost price. You see, this is the 100 rupees. I have brought something. So it is nothing but the cost price, friends. It is nothing but the cost price. Okay. Now I will write something else on it. It means I'll stick one paper and I'll write on that some price. It is nothing but the marked price, friends. So say 120 rupees I will write on that article. I do purchase that article with rupees 100 and I will stick, friends. I'll stick one paper and I'll say, okay, I'll write it on 120. It is nothing but marked price, friends. Okay, now my friend come to the shop. And he will purchase my article. Then what I do is, I will sell that article with rupees 110. Means I will take 10 rupees less than that marked price. I have written it, friends. Okay, so it is nothing but the selling price. It is nothing but the selling price, friends. Now you see here how much more I have written, plus 20. It is a markup. It is a markup, friends. It is a markup. Okay. Now markup is plus 20. Plus 20. I have written more, friends. Then how much I have given the discount? Instead of 120, I have taken 110. Means 10 rupees I have given discount to my friend. This is the discount, friends. This is the discount. And here, friends, I have sold 110 rupees. So what was the cost price of that article? What was the cost price of that article? Okay, 100 rupees. How much more I have taken? How much more I have taken? Here I have sold that article with 10 rupees more. 10 rupees more, friends. Just you see, 10 rupees more. Okay. So this is nothing but the margin. This is nothing but the margin, friends. Okay. So how much is the margin? I have said I have sold 110 rupees, and from 110 I got 10 rupees. I got 10 rupees. It is the margin, friends. It is the margin. Okay, margin is nothing but somebody will say I am doing the business just in 10 rupees margin, sir. Means okay, he will sell something else, and he will say you, sir, I am doing the business with a margin of 2 rupees, or with a margin of 5 rupees, or with a margin of 10 rupees. So margin is nothing but whatever the profit you got. Okay, 10 rupees profit I got in 110 rupees. 110 rupees, friends. This is the margin, friends. If you want to see the percentage, margin percentage, friends. Margin percentage. If I say what is the margin percentage here? Margin percentage is nothing but 10 divided by 110 into 100, friends. Into 100. So this is nothing but 1 by 11 means 9.09%. We have seen, friends. Here you can utilize that. Okay, fraction to percentage. I can say margin percentage is 9.09 in this case. Profit percentage is I got a 10 rupees profit from 100, friends. Means directly I can say profit percentage is 10. Profit percentage is 10, friends. Okay, 10%, because the cost price is 100 and I got a profit 10. Means 10 divided by 100 means a profit divided by cost price. Okay, divided by 100 means into 100 means 10% profit. Here see, friends, markup is 20, friends. Markup percentage is 20. Markup percentage means markup. Please do see, friends, markup. Okay, whatever I have written, markup percentage means this is the marked price minus the cost price is a markup. Divided by cost price. Into 100. It is nothing but a 20%. It is nothing but a 20%, friends. Okay, now you see, in this case, profit percentage is 10. Then markup percentage is 20, because I have chosen here 100, friends. And okay, discount I have given 10, friends. Discount I have given 10. If you want to see discount percentage, friends, I'll write down here. Discount percentage is equal to how much I have given the discount, friends, here? 10 rupees I have given the discount. On how much? On 120, friends. Markup means marked price is 120. On 120 I have given 10 rupees discount. What is the discount percentage, friends, here? 1 by 12. 1 by 12, friends. We have already seen what is the 1 by 12, friends. Yesterday you have seen 1 by 12 means you make a 100. 100 divided by 12 is 12 8 is a 96. 96 decimal. 1 plus 2 is 3, then 3. 8.33 percentage is nothing but the discount percent, friends. We have already seen here what is the margin percentage, what is the profit percentage, what is the markup percentage, and what is the discount percentage, friends. Discount percentage. Okay. Now, why you have to be aware of all these things? Means, if I want to solve some questions which I have collected from previous year question papers, okay, previous year question papers, friends, okay, so this I required, friends. For example, if I see some questions, okay, friends, I hope you do understand the basic things. What is the profit, what is the loss, what is the markup, what is the margin, what is the discount, what is the discount percentage. What is the discount percentage? With this example. Because I have got some questions here from the back. Basic question, friends. Okay. What he has given here from the IBPS question paper here, one question I have, and it is repeated in LIC Development Officer in 2018. If a profit percentage is, if profit percentage is 16.67, friends. Profit percentage is given 16.67. Find the margin percentage. Find the margin percentage. Friends. See, friends, this question I have seen from IBPS question paper, and the same question is asked in the LIC Development Officer's question paper. If a profit percentage is 16.16, then what is the margin percentage? If it is the question of friends. We are all known it profit percentage. What is the profit percentage, friends, here? It is nothing but a profit divided by cost price. Profit divided by cost price. Okay, friends. Now, if you see 16.67 percentage is nothing but it means it is a profit percentage is nothing but 1 by 6, friends. 1 by 6. Is it right? Okay. We are all known it. What is the profit percentage? Profit percentage is nothing but a profit divided by cost price. Okay, friends, here this one is represent the profit, this is represent the profit, and this is represent the cost price. This is represent the cost price, friends. Okay, my question is margin percentage. Margin percentage means profit divided by the selling price. How do I get here selling price, friends? Okay, you see here, if cost price is 6 rupees and I got 1 rupees profit, means the selling price is 7 rupees. 6 plus 1 is the 7 rupees. This is nothing but the selling price. Once you got the selling price, now margin percentage. You see, friends, how I have to write here margin percentage? Profit, friends, and selling price is 7. Selling price is 7, friends. 1 by 7. 1 by 7 is equivalent of 14.28 percentage. 14.28 percentage, friends. Okay. Now here I can say profit percent, margin percentage is nothing but 1 among the 7. Simple, I can say 1 by 7 is equivalent of 14.2857 percentage. 57 percentage. So if in the exam, if you do get this type of the questions, then you can answer very easily. One more question, friends. Okay. Now one more question. What is that question? If a margin percentage is 37.5. See friends, another question. If a margin percentage is 37.5. Margin percentage is 37.5. There is also LIC Development Officer's question paper it is. And what he has asked, find the profit percentage. Find profit percentage. It's a very simple question, but if you are not aware of these words, it is a difficult you to solve, friends. It is a difficult you to solve, friends. Okay. Now here 37.5. Only thing is, once again here, yesterday whatever we have seen, fraction to percentage, that will help you here. 37.5 percentage is equivalent of 3 by 8, friends. 3 by 8 because 1 by 8 is nothing but 12.5%. 1 by 8 is nothing but 1 by 8%. 12.5% is nothing but 1 by 8. Here 37.5% is nothing but 3 by 8, friends. Now you see, margin percentage is equal to 1 by 8. We have already known it. Margin percentage is nothing but profit divided by, here I'll show you, profit divided by selling price, friends. Profit divided by selling price means, you see, this is the profit, friends. 1 is the profit and 8 is the selling price. 8 is the selling price. So automatically you can say the cost price. Means if you sold something else in 8 rupees and got 1 rupees profit, means quite naturally the cost price is 7. Cost price is 7, friends, here. If you say selling price is 8, you have sold some article with 8 rupees and you said I got 1 rupees profit. What does it mean? It means the cost price of that article is 7 rupees. Okay. So once you got the cost price, automatically you can say the profit percentage. What is the profit percentage, friends, here? Just to see that. Profit percentage is nothing but profit. This is 1 rupees is the profit by the cost price. By the cost price. 1 by 7. Again 1 by 7 means what? 1 by 7 is equivalent of 14.28 percentage. The same question is repeated here. Profit divided by, sorry friends, this is the 3 by 8. I have done the mistake here. It is not 1 by 8. It is the 3 by 8, friends. 3 by 8, sorry. 3 by 8. 37.5 means 3 by 8, friends. 3 by 8. Here 3 is the profit. Sorry, 3 is the profit and selling price is 8 rupees. If somebody has said, I sold a article in 8 rupees and I got 3 rupees profit, means definitely cost price is 5, friends. And definitely cost price is 5. Because the cost price is 5 and you sold that article in 8 rupees. Then only you can say, I got 3 rupees profit. I got 3 rupees profit, friends. Right? Okay. Once you got the cost price of that, then very easily I can say the profit percentage. What is the profit percentage? Profit divided by cost price. Here I got 3 is the profit, cost price is 5 francs. Cost price is 5. Then 3 by 5 is equivalent of 60 percentage. 60 percentage is the profit percentage. 60 percentage is nothing but profit percentage. Okay friends, herein afterwards, if you do get something else, okay, it may be a profit percentage, or it may be a margin percentage, or it may be a discount percentage, or it may be a markup percentage. Okay, giving anyone, if he would have asked something else, then you can answer the questions here. You can answer the questions in this way, friends. From these two questions, I hope you have understood the logic of it. You have understood the logic, how we have utilized this. If I do get the questions where I have to come across these wordings. Discount percentage, or discount is a different, margin is different, margin percentage is different. Okay, margin percentage is different. Is it right, friend? Okay. Now, if somebody else says I have done only 2% margin, then profit percentage is a different difference. Profit percentage is a different difference, right? Okay. So we will see some different variety of the questions. Some different variety of the questions. Okay. Friends, type 1 questions, which I have collected from different question papers. Type 1. Here, if I say like this, one question, I have collected from page number 36. See friends, page number 36, question number 32. Page number 36, question number 32. And this question I have collected from MBA 2010. MBA 2010. This type of the questions we will discuss. 2-3 questions I will discuss very slowly, and how we have to be approached for this type of the questions we will see, friends. What is in that question? He said a person has purchased certain fruits, friends. Okay, certain fruits with 16 for rupees 24. Fruits 16 for 24 rupees, 24 friends. You see, friends, a person has purchased certain fruits with the rate of, or in this way. Okay, the question is given, fruit 16 for 24 rupees, and he sold the same for 8, not same, okay, 8 for friends, for rupees 18, So my question is, what is his profit percentage? Friends? What is his profit percentage? My question is, find the profit percentage. Friends. Okay, this is my question. This is my question. Okay, friends. What we were doing, okay, what we were doing earlier, method one. This is the purchase, friends. Purchase, okay, 16, sale, okay, sold, selling is 8, friends. Selling is 8. Okay. Some of the time, if you feel this way also, you can use and you can say. What all I require to do is, if I want to sell something else, I have to be purchased. The multiple of these numbers. Okay, if I see certain fruit means the fruits are constant. How much he has collected, so much he has sold. Here, number of fruits are constant, friends. Number of fruits are constant. Hence, what are you required to do is, you purchase, okay, number of fruits which are divisible by these two numbers. It means, I can purchase total number is 16, friends. Because the LCM of 8 and 16 is 16. 16 means you have paid, okay, so how much? 24. Okay, friends, just to see here, total number of fruits you have purchased and you have paid how much rupees? You have paid 24 rupees, friends. 24 rupees, right? And you have sold all 16 fruits. 16 fruits means 8 fruits for rupees 18. 18 rupees. Another time also you have sold another 8 fruits and you got another 18 rupees. Another 18 rupees, friends. Total how much rupees you have collected, friends, here? Here you have collected, okay, 36 rupees. And you have invested here 24 rupees. You have invested 24 rupees and you have got 36 rupees. And here you got the profit. Here you got the profit is nothing but 36 minus 24. It is nothing but 12 rupees profit you got, friends. 12 rupees profit you got. Then profit percentage is nothing but